Hello guys, welcome back to day 3 of rebuilding my Star Wars AT-AT. Let's begin. Okay guys, this is the finish of bag 6. We officially have legs and armor on the whole body. Oof, I messed it up. Fix that. Okay, come back tomorrow and we will do bag 7 and 8, and hopefully that will be the very end of this series. Well, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and come back tomorrow.